And BPD is also looking for a suspect connected to a robbery in Southwest Bakersfield last night. According to BPD, officers were dispatched around 9:25 p.m. to the Center for Neuro Skills on Gosford Road, where they were told a masked suspect entered the business and stated he had a weapon. The suspect is described as a tall black man, thin, and was last seen wearing a black long-sleeve t-shirt and gray sweatpants. Anyone with information is asked to call BPD at 317-7111.